Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Let's learn how to create a snowpark session and a snowpark data frame. So I'm on app.snowflake.com and I'm selecting account to get started. This one is my free trial account, so I'll continue with this one. It will again ask me username and password, so let's put that in. I'm signing in. So we are at app.snowflake.com homepage. This one is called Snowside, and I'll navigate to projects here on the left hand side sidebar. So under projects you'll find worksheets, then below that there is option for notebooks. So I'll go to the notebooks, and here is the notebook that I have created previously. So I will open that notebook. This left sidebar can be minimized using this icon, so you can hide the navigation, and this thing can also be minimized if I'm not wrong. Now to get started, first of all you need to start the session. Once the session is started, you'll be able to run these cells. These cells are similar to what we have in Databricks or Jupyter Notebook. Cells are pretty much similar. So here it allows us to install packages. If you need something, then you can get it installed from here. And stage packages are nothing but the packages that are stored in your Snowflake stages. Stages just like the storage in Snowflake, within Snowflake. So these are called stages. So these are the two options, and by default it will run on Python 3.9. You right now there is no option to upgrade it, so you cannot choose a higher version to run your notebook. And yeah, that's that. These are some default cells that you get when you create a new notebook. And let's jump in and create a new Python cell. So this is a new Python cell where I'll import few things to get started. To get started, we need a active snowpark session, so let's create one. Before I'll be able to use this active session, I need to import it from the context. Now as I have imported the session, let's just start the notebook and try to run this particular cell. The notebook is getting started and it's now in active state. You can see the query warehouse and notebook warehouse attached to it, and the idle time is 30 minutes. So if you do not run any cell for longer than 30 minutes, then it will auto terminate, or the session will end if you do not use it for that long. Other than that, you can make some edits from here. So just to avoid incurring cost or incurring unnecessary cost, you can just terminate it manually once you are done with your work. That could be a good practice when you are using a free trial account. Now our session is active. Let's try to run this cell. Yeah, so the green bar here on the left side indicates that it has run successfully. Let's define some data in here. So I have added some data, which is simply a list of tuples, and I'll define the schema as well for creating a data frame. So now I have both my data and schema with me. Let's call it df, and to create a data frame we need to call a function called create data frame method, and this method requires two parameters as data and schema. Once we provide the parameters, we can just collect our data frame and let's see how it looks. So this cell is now executed successfully. I should be able to see a data frame. Yeah, it's coming up. So you can see this data frame is visible in a nice tabular format. This little download icon is for downloading the result in CSV format. Search is for searching for any of the data within your data frame. So that's that. This is the cell number. You can edit this cell, or you can provide any particular cell name as per your preference, and this is how you create a snowpark data frame. I hope it's clear to you, and it's just really simple. If you have some background from PySpark, then you will find this a lot more easier. So that's everything for this video. Hope you like, and if you like this one, then please give it a thumbs up.